about your mama? Did she get that job she wanted? So that car that gave her problems? I'm just curious about her honest. Are you wondering why I've been calling? Like I got ulterior motives. No, we didn't end this so good, but you know we had something so good. I'm